Today I'm going to show you how to do a countdown timer in your video. You know, something that goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, that sort of thing. So here you see I have some footage, all right? I want to put the countdown timer over this thing. The first thing I want to do is in the project panel, right-click and create a new black video and place it above your clip. Next, in the Effects panel, find the Metadata and Timecode Burn-In effect and apply it to the black video. In the Effects Controls panel, change Blend Mode to Screen. Adjust size and position as desired. Then set the timer to the desired duration by extending or shortening the black video clip. Next, set metadata to generate timecode. Set time display to 30 non-drop frame. Right-click and nest the black video clip. Once again, set Blend Mode to Screen. Right-click and select Speed Duration and select Reverse. This will cause the countdown timer to go backwards instead of forwards. Crop to remove extraneous zeros. And reposition as desired. And there you go. Now we're counting down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, you'll notice it's actually 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.24 going backwards, but that's because I included the frames. You know, there's 24 frames per second, and I included the frames. I didn't mean to confuse you. You can always just crop that off. So, yeah, there you go. I hope you found this helpful. Have a good one.